all right until late afternoon, and then the market turned turtle and the Dow fell more than 111 points. 17,000 is now starting to look a little bit dicey for the Dow. To think we were thinking of 18,000 just a week or three ago. Look at what's happening to oil and the price of oil. Well, down $1.54 for Brent. It's at $60.12 a barrel. That's the current price at the moment. Down more than 1% on the day. Now, despite the falling oil prices, U.S. producers still producing huge amounts of shale oil. Brittling Energy is a Texas-based company that goes into the fracking business in a big way. We have the man who is called the fracking master because you do so much of it. Sir, it's Chris Faulkner.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, sir. Right. I saw some great numbers that said rig count down. People are not drilling as much now in shale oil in the US. Are we going to see the Saudi plot work?
You know, I hope not. I think that you would be foolish not to think that capital expenditures next year are going to be down if the price of oil remains where it's at. Now, if we get to $50 and even continue beyond that, I think the number could be half that of the drilling rigs that will lay down or reshift to other more economical areas.
Right, but does that mean that production's down, or does production remain at the same level? You're just not increasing it with new rigs.
It could be one of the other. If folks have to drill in certain areas to hold production, we'll see production continue to rise. If drilling was to slow, these wells decline very rapidly, so production would come offline.
But look, why is the US, why is the shale industry on this suicide march when prices are falling?
You know, I think it's because there is no version of an OPEC here. We all can't get together at a table every few months and say, hey, Richard, you want to cut production? No, let's all cut production down to 10%. The reality is there's so many small moving players here, but the markets will drive them. If they can't make money, okay, I don't think anyone's going to go kamikaze on us. They just keep drilling and just, go bankrupt.
Are you still fracking?
We're fracking.
We're
drilling
but it's at $50, $60 a barrel.
I think you got to take it into perspective to say, look, certain areas can make money at this level. Certain areas can make money
Few and far between.
Fewer. I won't say far between. Fewer.
Fewer. All right. Well, how does this play out in the end? Where is oil? Does it continue to drop for the next month or three?
You know, I think we've got a couple things happening here. Number one, I think we're seeing less supply slowing down because some of these wells are declining, and a lot of operators can't continue to drill at the pace they've done in the past. That moves the needle down. I think the number may get near 50. I think second quarter, though, we're going to see some rebound as the internal decline begins to take place. Who's really hurting here is your opening package. It's Russia, right? But the United States is definitely a target of OPEC. And I think Vladimir Putin might be the bigger target.
All right, sir. Forgive me keeping it brief. It's been a very busy day.
No worries. Thank you, Richard.
Thank you.
Always great to see you.
Now.